Start with an engaging hook about the potential of AI to transform income generation in 2026. Briefly introduce the concept of AI side hustles and their accessibility to beginners with no prior experience. Highlight the increasing demand for AI-related skills and services. Mention the financial aspiration, earning $5,000 or more per month. Leverage AI tools to create various types of content, including blog posts, articles, social media content, and video scripts. AI writing tools, Jasper, ChatGPT, Claude. Social media content creation, Canva, Google Labs. Start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Offer content creation services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Focus on a specific niche to build expertise and attract a targeted audience. Help businesses manage their social media presence using AI tools for content creation, scheduling, and audience engagement. AI-powered social media management platforms. Canva for creating visuals. Google Labs for social media content creation. Offer social media management services to local businesses. Create and sell social media templates and resources. Start by offering basic social media packages and gradually increase service offerings. Utilize AI tools to create logos, social media graphics, website mockups, and other design assets. AI-powered design platforms. Wizard, Photo AI, Runway ML, Canva for graphic design. Offer graphic design services on freelancing platforms. Sell AI-generated design assets on marketplaces. Focus on developing a unique design style to stand out from the competition. Help small businesses automate tasks such as appointment scheduling, customer support, and lead generation using AI tools. AI chatbot platforms, OpenAI assistants, BotPress, Tidio AI. Automation platforms, Zapier, Make.com. Offer AI automation setup and consulting services. Develop and sell custom AI automation solutions. Start by identifying simple, time-consuming tasks that can be easily automated. Use AI tools to create voiceovers for videos, podcasts, commercials, and other audio content. AI voiceover platforms, 11 Labs, Play.ht, OpenAI's TDS. Audio editing software, Descript, Audacity. Offer voiceover services on freelancing platforms. License custom AI voices to brands and content creators. Focus on developing a professional-sounding voice and offer a variety of tones and accents. Reiterate the potential of AI side hustles to generate significant income in 2026. Encourage viewers to choose one side hustle and commit to it. End with a call to action. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.